Hi, I'm Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. This quick blast of Theosophy is about the Septenary constitution of the Earth and is taken from the Key to Theosophy by Helena Petrovna Blavatsky, the founder of modern Theosophy. The Key to Theosophy is in the form of a questions and answers dialogue between an enquirer and H.P. Blavatsky. This extract is from the chapter entitled On the Septenary Constitution of Our Planet. The enquirer asks, I understand that you describe our Earth as forming part of a chain of globes. H.P. Blavatsky replies, we do, but the other 6 Earths or globes are not in the same plane of objectivity as our Earth is, therefore we cannot see them. The enquirer then asks, is that on account of the great distances? H.P. Blavatsky replies, not at all, for we see with our naked eye planets and even stars at immeasurably greater distances. But it is owing to those 6 globes being outside our physical means of perception or plane of being. It is not only that their material density, weight or fabric are entirely different from those of our Earth and the other known planets, but they are, to us, on an entirely different layer of space, so to speak, a layer not to be perceived or felt by our physical senses. And when I say layer, please do not allow your fancy to suggest to you layers like strata or beds laid one over the other, for this would only lead to another absurd misconception. What I mean by layer is that plane of infinite space which by its nature cannot fall under our ordinary waking perceptions, whether mental or physical, but which exists in nature outside our normal mentality or consciousness, outside of our 3-dimensional space and outside of our division of time. Each of the 7 fundamental planes or layers in space, of course as a whole, as the pure space of Locke's definition, not as our finite space, has its own objectivity and subjectivity, its own space and time, its own consciousness and set of senses. But all this will be hardly comprehensible to one trained in the modern ways of thought. That completes the Blavatsky quotation. If you wish to study this subject further, I highly recommend Esoteric Buddhism by Alfred Percy Sinnott. Please note that all my quick blasts of Theosophy are presented as ideas for consideration. Thank you.